Hello, campers. This is a quickie look at the Bedee 10-foot by 10.5-foot tarp. It was on sale on Amazon, and I can't resist a bargain. So I got me a backup tarp now to my gold armor, which is 12 foot and really nice, but it's really big and bulky too. So this came with stakes and ropes and a carry bag, of course. They all do. I don't have it fully set up. I just bungeed it so you could see, so I could see, so we could see together. The inside is there's my hammock. It's my new what do I have? It's a new 11-foot Dutch hammock, netless hammock. So we got nice little riveted things here. We've got Raja supervising. It's reinforced at the corners. There's 3 tie-outs on each side and 2 for your top. So I'm not sure about this silvery solar layer when I wake up in the morning, sure. But it's probably a heat shield type. So for a cheap hammock, oh, not hammock, for a cheap tarp, it's a decent quality as long as it's rainproof. You see all the stitching there. You see you can hear a hawk in the distance. Anyway, other than the silvery, this is my Tinsa hammock stand, which is also awesome, by the way. Anyway, yeah, the silvery inner service solar whatever insulation. I may like it in the wintertime, who knows. But yeah, for a cheapie 10 by 10.5 tarp, it's all right. And it's a provisional thumbs up. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.